The white paint with black wheels and level suspension really make this Cummins-powered Ram 2500 stand head and shoulders above the crowd. But probably the biggest asset this diesel truck brings to the table is the big Class 5 hitch and 7-pin wiring harness. Stepping up into the big crew cab Ram, you'll see power mirrors, windows, and locks. And this truck is a 6-seater with an armrest that flips down to convert the front seats into buckets. Aftermarket supplemental gauges have been added to the A-pillar, but mechanically the truck remains stock with just 93,000 miles. The Uconnect 5 screen has integrated SiriusXM as well as Bluetooth connectivity, and ride-in air-conditioned comfort as you hook up to a big boat or camper using the integrated trailer brakes. Now when the going gets tough, turn the knob to engage 4-wheel drive. The spacious back seat will be greatly appreciated by the rest of your team when you are loaded up and headed to the lake. And with under-seat as well as in-floor storage, the extra tow straps or jumper cables or even snacks won't be getting into the footwells.